Welcome back to Auto Pulse. Today, we're diving into one of the most extreme hypercars of 2025, the Koenigsegg Regera. This Swedish masterpiece is a perfect blend of cutting-edge hybrid technology, mind-blowing performance, and luxury. If you thought hypercars couldn't get any more insane, the Regera is here to prove you wrong. Let's start with what makes this car so special: its unique hybrid powertrain. Unlike traditional hybrids, the Regera doesn't use a conventional gearbox. Instead, Koenigsegg developed something called direct drive, a revolutionary system that eliminates the need for multiple gears. Power comes from a 5.0-liter twin-turbo V8 paired with 3 electric motors, producing a combined output of 1,500 horsepower and 2,000 Nm of torque. This setup allows the Regera to accelerate from 0 to 400 km/h, 249 mph, in just 20 seconds, making it one of the fastest accelerating cars in the world. One of the most mind-blowing aspects of the Regera is its seamless power delivery. Thanks to Koenigsegg's direct drive system, the car delivers instant torque without any gear shifts, providing an almost electric car-like smoothness. But unlike a fully electric vehicle, you still get the brutal roar of the V8 engine. The combination of raw power and hybrid efficiency makes the Regera an engineering marvel. In terms of design, the Regera stays true to Koenigsegg's signature style but adds a touch of elegance. The car features an active aerodynamics package, including an automatically adjustable rear wing and front flaps, ensuring optimal downforce at high speeds. The lightweight carbon fiber monocoque keeps the car's weight down to 1,590 kilograms, making it lighter than many other hybrid hypercars. The dihedral synchro helix doors add to its futuristic appeal, opening in a way that looks straight out of a sci-fi movie. The interior of the Regera is just as impressive as its performance. It offers luxury and technology in perfect harmony, with features like a fully digital instrument cluster, a 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system, and wireless Apple CarPlay. The seats are wrapped in the finest leather, and every detail inside the cabin screams exclusivity. The car even comes with AutoScan, a system that allows all doors and hoods to be opened remotely with hydraulic actuators, making it feel like the car is alive. Now, let's talk about the driving experience. The Regera is designed to be a grand touring hypercar, meaning it's not just about speed but also comfort. The adaptive suspension makes highway cruising smooth, while the instant torque delivery means you have unlimited power at your disposal. Unlike track-focused hypercars, the Regera is built to be driven daily, if you're lucky enough to own one. Koenigsegg produced only 80 units of the Regera, each with a price tag of around $2 million. Every unit is fully customizable, allowing owners to choose from a wide range of colors, materials, and personal touches. With such limited numbers, the Regera is already a collector's dream, and its value is expected to rise in the future. What makes the Regera even more special is its role in Koenigsegg's evolution. It represents a transition from traditional hypercars to the next generation of high-performance vehicles. The brand has always been about pushing boundaries, and the Regera is proof that hybrid technology doesn't have to be boring. It can be thrilling, emotional, and unbelievably fast. So, is the Koenigsegg Regera the ultimate hypercar of 2025? It certainly makes a strong case. With its record-breaking acceleration, innovative hybrid system, and unmatched luxury, the Regera isn't just a car, it's a statement. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Koenigsegg Regera, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome car content. Let me know in the comments what you think about the Regera and which car you'd like us to cover next. I'll see you in the next video.